Hello student, today we continue our discussion on the chapter logarithm. Today we are going to learn how to solve equation containing logarithmic terms. So let us begin the sum. The first problem is solve the following equation. Log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 equals to log 24. So first we are using the product rule. Log of m plus log of n equals to log of m into n. So log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 can be written as log of x plus 1 into x minus 1 equals to log 24. Now log of x plus 1 into x minus 1 formula is a square minus b square. You will get log of x square minus 1 equals to log 24. Comparing both sides, you will get x square minus 1 equals to 24. Now if you bring this minus 1 to this side, you will get plus 1. 24 plus 1 equals to 25. That means x square equal to 25. It implies x equal to 5. We are not taking minus 5 as log does not exist for the negative number. Moving into the next problem, log 5 to the base 10 plus log 5 plus 5x plus 1 to the base 10 equals to log x plus 5 to the base 10 plus 1. So first, in place of 1, we are writing log 10 as log 10 equals to 1. Now, this side we are using the formula log m plus log n equals to log of m plus n. That means you will get log 5 into 5x plus 1 equals to same log m plus log n equals to log of m plus n. Using this formula, you will get log of x plus 5 into 10. Comparing both sides, you will get 5 into 5x plus 1 equals to 10 into x plus 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So you will get 5x plus 1 equals to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 5, 10. Now we will separate the variable. 5x minus 2x equals to 10 minus 1. That means 3x equal to 9. Therefore x equal to 3. Let us solve the next problem. Log of 3x plus 2 plus log of 3x minus 2 equals to 5 log 2. Here we are using the product rule. So we will get log of 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 equals to log of 2 to the power 5 using the power rule. Now comparing both sides, you will get a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square, that is 3x square minus 2 square equals to 2 to the power 5. That means equals to 32. So 3x square, that is equal to 9x square equals to 32 plus 4. 32 plus 4 equals to 36. So 9x square equals to 36. This means x square equal to 4. X square equal to 4. If you take the square root on both sides, you will get x equal to 2, avoiding the negative value. Our next problem is 5 to the power log x plus 3 to the power log x equals to 3 to the power log x plus 1 minus 5 to the power log x minus 1. So in the first step, we are separating the term looking at their base. That means we are keeping 5 to the power log x and 5 to the power log x minus 1 in one side and 3 to the power log x plus 1, 3 to the power log x on another side. So if you bring this term to this side, you will get plus 5 to the power log x minus 1 equals to 3 to the power log x plus 1 minus 3 to the power log x. 5 to the power log x plus, here I am using the exponent rule. That means a raised to m minus n equals to a raised to m by a raised to n. That means 5 raised to 1 equals to 5. This side I am using the formula a raised to m plus n equals to a raised to m into a raised to n. That means you will get 3 raised to log x into 3 raised to 1 minus 3 raised to log x. From these two terms, we are taking 5 raised to log x as common. So we will get 1 plus 1 by 5. From this side, we are taking 3 raised to log x as common. So we will get 3 minus 1. Now if you simplify, you will get 5 to the power log x into 5 1 ja 5 plus 1. 6 by 5 equals to 3 raised to log x into 2. Now I am bringing this 3 raised to log x into this side. So you will get 5 raised to log x by 3 raised to log x and 6 by 5 to the other side. So we will get 2 into 5 by 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So this term is equal to 5 by 3. Now 5 raised to log x by 3 raised to log x can be written as 5 by 3 to the power log x equals to 5 by 3 raised to 1. If the base is same, power will be equal. So log x equal to 1. Log x equal to 1. 1 can be written as log 10. So if you compare both sides, you will get x equal to 10. Let us discuss one more problem. Log x to the base 3 plus log x to the base 9 plus log x to the base 81 equals to 7 by 4. So log b to the base a can be written as log b by log a. So using the formula, we write log x by log 3 plus log x by 9 can be written as 3 square. So log 3 square plus log x by log 81, and 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 equals to 7 by 4. Now using the power rule over these two terms, we will get log x by log 3 plus log x by 2 log 3 plus log x by 4 log 3 equals to 7 by 4. Now we are taking log x by log 3 common from these three terms. So we will get 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 equals to 7 by 4. So next step, log x by log 3. If you simplify, LCM will be 4. Numerator will get 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 7 by 4. So log x by log 3 into 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 4 equals to 7 by 4. This 7 by 4 and this 7 by 4 will cancel each other. So you will get log x by log 3 equals to 1. So if you cross multiply, you will get log x equal to log 3. Comparing both sides, you will get x equal to 3. Thank you student for watching this.